All right, guys, I have a brand new unboxing here that I'm doing. Just got this in. This is the Philips Deadbolt. Allows you to use your thumbprint, keypad, and use your phone as well to get logged in or to get into your house. So just gonna open it up here and kind of take you along the journey of getting this installed. Okay, so got your instruction, nice little quick start guide. So I'll probably use that and not the entire instruction manual because that's what I like to do. Um, this is good. They have a little template to use. I don't know that I'll need to, as long as I don't rip it, I don't know that I'll need to use this. I already have an older lock that I've already got in place. So I probably won't have to use that since I'm just replacing a current one. Not the same model, but replacing a current deadbolt. I'm hoping this is going to fit okay and cover everything up, and I'm not going to have to paint. I think this will be the right size for me. But we've got the keypad side, and then that was loud. Sorry about that. And then the inside portion of it. And then I'm assuming this is maybe the hardware here. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, this is the actual deadbolt. Oh, it does have the key lock as well, which is really nice if you ever needed that. So this is the deadbolt portion of it. So yeah, let's get started. As you can see, I've got my old one up here, and yeah, this is gonna cover well. Of course, wouldn't hurt for me to paint this anyway, but this is gonna cover really well, so not a problem. Just need to remove this and of course remove the outside portion of it, and then we can get the new one installed.
So we proceeded to remove all the old hardware. Wasn't too difficult. Got it all off of there.
All right,
Again,
now
I
we're ready
really
to
need
put
to
the new one.
paint, but not going to take the time to do that today. Getting the new hardware installed, starting with the outdoor keypad, running the wire through the deadbolt portion of it, and then there's a faceplate or a little metal plate provided. Run the wire through there. Make sure you get your wire connected to the inside unit. I did have to go back and realign the lock so that it is in the unlocked position, the straight up and down position when it's actually unlocked. Wasn't too difficult once I figured out and read the directions. Getting it back installed now. And then I loved that it has a spot for 8 AA's. That was one of the issues I had with my old lock, was that it seemed to run out of battery so quickly. I love the app that's connected to this lock. It's very easy to use, pretty easy to get connected. You create a new account, and then you have to scan the back side of that battery compartment, and that is what actually connects your app to the actual unit. Looks like it does it through Bluetooth, but then connects to your Wi-Fi as well. You have to type in your Wi-Fi password so that it's all connected. Was very seamless, worked really well. And what I'm doing now is I'm creating my fingerprint, and have everybody in the household created their fingerprints. I also did both sides, the left and the right thumbprint. So you can see we can lock it, unlock it. You can actually lock it with the keypad, and works great. Finally, here is where you can use your actual manual key.
All right, guys, that was it. That was the install for this Philips Wi-Fi lock. I am pretty happy with it. I like the app. I like the the ease of the fingerprint, and you can you have the fallback on the codes and redundant. Another redundancy, you can use an actual key. So install was pretty easy. I am not super handy, and that was not hard at all. Obviously, it would be more difficult if you were having to go from From nothing. I already had the hole, the deadbolt hole in already cut out from my previous lock, so that makes it a little easier. But overall, I thought it was super simple, very, very intuitive.